Which planet is the hottest in our solar system? Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter. The correct answer is Venus. How many chambers does the human heart have? 2, 3, 4, 5. The correct answer is 4. What is the title of the autobiography written by former professional basketball player Shaquille O'Neal? Shaq Uncut, My Story. It's Only a Game. I, Shaq. A Memoir. By Myself and Then Some. The correct answer is Shaq Uncut, My Story. Who were Cleopatra's lovers and political allies? Julius Caesar and Augustus. Alexander the Great and Julius Caesar. Julius Caesar and Mark Antony. Julius Caesar and Octavian. The correct answer is Julius Caesar and Mark Antony. What is the term used for the nests or structures sometimes attributed to Bigfoot? Dens, hovels, lairs, stick structures. The correct answer is stick structures. Cadmium was discovered in which country? Germany, France, United States, Sweden. The correct answer is Germany. Who won the Best Actor Academy Award for his portrayal of Winston Churchill in Darkest Hour? Gary Oldman, Benedict Cumberbatch, Daniel Day-Lewis, Eddie Redmayne. The correct answer is Gary Oldman. The Pacific Ring of Fire is responsible for approximately what percentage of the world's earthquakes? 25%, 50%, 75%, 90%. The correct answer is 75%. Which famous ruby is housed in the Smithsonian Institution? Carmen Lucia ruby, Sunrise ruby, Black Prince's ruby, Neelanjali ruby. The correct answer is Carmen Lucia ruby. What metal is found at the Earth's core? Silver, iron, copper, zinc. The correct answer is iron. Which group of people is credited with discovering Greenland? The Romans, the Vikings, the Moors, the Mongols. The correct answer is the Vikings. Waihilau Falls, among the tallest in the world, is located in which U.S. state? Alaska, Washington, California, Hawaii. The correct answer is Hawaii. What organelle contains a cell's genetic material? Ribosome, nucleus, mitochondria, vacuole. The correct answer is nucleus. Which bird is known to be the fastest animal on Earth? Golden eagle, peregrine falcon, cheetah, frigate bird. The correct answer is peregrine falcon. What was the ancient language of the Sumerians? Cuneiform, Sanskrit, Aramaic, Akkadian. The correct answer is cuneiform.